The thousands of APC supporters and other political associates converge on Sir Ahmadu Bello International Airport, Birnin Kebbi, to witness the return of Senator Muhammadu Adamu Aliru to the state after a foreign medical trip. The enthusiastic crowd, comprising both young and old, turned out in great number to catch a glimpse of their political mentor. From the airport, the motorcade drove through the major roads in the state capital to the Birnin Kebbi racecourse, where the visibly elated Senator Muhammadu Adamu Aliru restated his determination to continue providing the dividends of democracy for them.
By what the people at the local government level and at what level did. And that's why those that were elected decided to go to court and contest the so-called results that were sent to OPC National Secretariat in Abuja. So we believe that the party in Kebbi is one, united under the leadership of architect Rasaki. Anything short of that is not acceptable to us.
The Senate Majority Leader, Dr. Yahya Abdullahi, stated that the unprecedented crowd is a clear indication to the stallion leadership of Senator Muhammadu Adamu Aliru, calling on all APC supporters and admirers of Senator Aliru to remain committed and resolute in supporting the party.
There has never been in Kebbi State a kind of meeting, a kind of crowd that I saw today. I abhor injustice. Injustice done to any person is injustice that has been done to all. Therefore, we are not going to relent until the right thing is done. We are in the same party. We are there for negotiation.
The occasion was graced by members of the House of Representatives, members of the Kebbi State House of Assembly, former and serving government functionaries, politicians, and well-wishers across Kebbi State. The rally was seen by many as endorsement to Adamu Aliru's soaring popularity politically in the state and Nigeria at large. Abdullah Omar Ilalu, NTA News.